Hi guys, Designer Phil here, and we're back with a quick how-to video on how to properly water your plants on your freshly installed landscape. Proper watering is by far the most important ingredient to establishing plant material. A good schedule to follow is to water your plants twice a week. During hot summer days, you may have to water more frequently. Trees should receive 5 to 10 gallons of water 2 to 3 times per week. Shrubs should get 3 gallons of water 2 to 3 times per week. A lot of you might wonder, how do I know when to stop watering? What's too much watering? What's too little watering? Well, we're going to show you a couple techniques on how to figure that out. If you're going to be watering with a watering wand, you're basically going to take your watering wand to a 5-gallon bucket, and you're going to time how long it takes to fill up that 5-gallon bucket so we can figure out how much time you need to spend on each plant while you're watering. The best options for large planting areas are to set sprinklers on the entire area or use a soaker hose. To measure watering, place an empty can about 6 feet away from the sprinkler. When there is an inch of water in the can, it's time to move the sprinkler to the next area. A soaker hose is a hose that's very porous and allows water to come out at a slow speed, which will allow your plants to get a significant amount of water equally during the duration that the hose is running. This is just set up for demonstration purposes, but ideally you want your soaker hose underneath the mulch. That way the water's getting to the roots of the plants much faster and all the mulch isn't absorbing the water. Gator bags are another great way to water your trees. Basically what a gator bag is, it's a reservoir for water. You come in, you fill up your bag. So what this bag does is it's basically a reservoir for water, and it has small weep holes in the bottom of it. So it slowly releases water into the ground around the tree, so it's constantly getting water throughout a week. Typically they need to be refilled every 4 to 7 days basically. You generally want to try to keep the gator bags on a level ground. If you get into a situation where they're on a hard slope, it will help to put small pinholes on the high side to allow extra water to weep out and keep the bag balanced better. It is better to water deeply and less frequently than to lightly water every day. It is also possible to overwater, so before watering again, stick your finger a couple inches into the soil, making sure you go through the mulch. If the soil is too wet, do not water. Check daily and water again when necessary. Once the plants are established, once a week watering should be sufficient. In year 2, monitor your plants during the heat of the summer. They will need to be watered during hot and dry periods. Remember, don't take a chance. Water your plants.